nyasi mag sikuku. Ang'o momiyo koro ager ot maber dala to kadak kono. Ok ager Nairobi ka. Paro makamano ahinya to ne jogo masiche moko wang'e ni waduto chiemoro wabo retire. To ng'ato kose retire adiro doher mar mondo mi obeda ne kod kumoro maber, kamokue, kamonyalo dake maber.
Ka duogo penjo no, problem wan go and what we call social decay, also social decadence. We lost the social fabric marwa. Chon no ningo beni ng'ato ng'eni okonego beno e dalane bino bika fully. Nairobi ka ibiro migede yes. Nyithindi ni koni te. Kodo kesitiyo koni, nyithindo go, some of them ipunjo gitu gionge tich. The next thing they will do to you, you're going to baba yinsa retire, dog dala. Can you get a dollar? What happens to you?
It
is not even documented, but it is a fact. Jodongo thought very fast after retirement because they didn't have retirement plan. In Itiyo, in Geodi Misaga Nairobi Kaindi, the thing to give any plunge, Moko onge teach, after some given time, if you Baba Yinsa retire when Waka. Could you never problem anything through and through? Dala Kujo, Benekuatioka to a parchin. Why invest in? Wage Rudy Machalgimo, Dago Nairobi Kagimo, Doc Dala. You don't feel the difference. You can even building Makane. Only go beneko recate your better an income to you, not to your child. And I believe in the school of thought is the best in education. So long as you can also invest for him, yes, can get the way I will. Tony go Beni make sure at least you get the best education. Kind of from there, Onyalo Manyomari. To go on in the Banyamed, Makubian, and be better Gimari Momga Bodi Migan Rubicani. Eventually you can leave it and go back home. The only problem is then when you have a house like in a place like Karen, who will take it? The people who will take it are people. Not to run Kanyan not more very endowed in terms of financial. To go to ordinary becomes a problem. That is why Jimogan get together, they got apartments, Islands, where you are assured need 15,000, somebody can afford. 10,000, somebody can afford. To get the out, 200,000 or 300,000. You need Amazon go and NGO. So investment in places like Islands and the rest are even better than this. What we are saying, and take what you can, but build a similar house. Kenyalo, kapodin geteko dala. You don't feel that big change. You can't in general through Twitter throughout. That even you are could you be there? Could it be could you send a senator? You could be Barasamar chief for the last 50 years. And you're going to do better pain. Can you younger can you get out? You get that kind of things. Could you not Moroma? You are somebody, you're not out of place. You are not recognized because when you are working the field, you how did you help us? What's possible?
And which court?
Young talker, young pencil room along. It did now. After 5 years, because you cannot.